Hi, I'm Caroline Chambers, head of culinary at Mealthy. This year for Mother's Day, we here at Mealthy decided to do something really, really special. My mom is my best friend. I rely on her for everything, but there's one place where she actually relies on me a little bit, and that's in the kitchen. So we decided to fly her to LA to the Mealthy studio to teach her how to use the Mealthy MultiPot. So Mom, what do you know about the MultiPot?
Not too much, Caroline. I remember as a child, Mother would use the pressure cooker and the steam coming off of it was terrifying. It would burn you.
Well, the good news is this is an electric pressure cooker versus an old school stovetop pressure cooker. This is a lot easier, a lot safer, and I'm gonna show you the ins and outs of how to use it.
Great.
We're gonna start with one of my favorite, really simple recipes.
What are we cooking?
We're cooking Mediterranean chicken bowls, and I'm gonna walk you right through it, right through the entire thing.
Oh, goody.
So we're gonna start by making the sauce for our chicken. We're making a lemon oregano sauce, so I'm gonna help you by zesting the lemons in, and then if you'll just go ahead and add in a tablespoon of that olive oil.
Okey-doke.
Who doesn't love a little olive oil?
Can't get enough.
Can't get enough. Okay, so add that oregano, all of that salt, all the pepper, and then I know you like things spicy, so add as much red pepper flakes as you want, but don't go too crazy, because we don't want it. That was pretty, that was a hefty pour.
Oh, I love spice.
Okay, so we have our zest, we have our red pepper flakes, our oregano, everything's in there. Now we're just gonna add the lemon juice.
Okie dokie.
I know, it's really lemony. The olive oil gives it that nice like Mediterranean taste. Really, really good. Okay, so give it a good stir. One of the awesome things about the pressure cooker is that it combines all these flavors really, really fast. So we don't have to whisk this too well. It's all gonna meld really well with that chicken in the pot.
Wait, so this goes in here?
Yeah, that's gonna go in the pot with the chicken once we add it in.
Wow.
So just dump the chicken straight into this bowl and then give it a good turn with those tongs. Okay, so add the other one too.
Okay, hold on.
And the salt, pepper, everything's already in there, so we didn't even have to season our chicken. The pressure cooker develops these insane flavors crazy fast. That's like one of the coolest things about it. So we didn't even have to marinate this chicken overnight. It's just gonna pressure cook right in that sauce. Okay, we're making brown rice Mediterranean chicken bowls. So we're gonna be cooking brown rice and this chicken at the same time in the pot. So I'll have you first add the brown rice and the water to the pot. That's a cup of brown rice and a cup of water. On top of the rice and water, put the trivet. So this trivet comes with the Mealthy MultiPot. It's one of our included accessories, and it allows you to cook two things at once. So the rice is gonna be cooking down on the bottom, and then this will be on top with the chicken. So go ahead and put the chicken on top. You just kind of have to lower it down in, you know. Perfect, everything's gonna cook. The brown rice and the chicken are gonna cook for the same amount of time all together in the pot. Go ahead and close the lid. I know, it's pretty cool.
So few dishes.
I know,
sweet.
Exactly. So that sound means, good job, your lid's on. I know, you go girl.
I got this.
Set the steam valve to sealing. That'll keep all the steam in the pot. And then hit the poultry button. So we're gonna cook this for 15 minutes, and one of the poultry presets is 15 minutes. So there we are. And then the pot takes a second. There's no go button, there's no start button. It'll just start on its own, right about now.
Okay.
And that means that the pot is starting to heat up all the liquid in there, and it's gonna create that steam and start to build the pressure. So that's it. It's cooking. It's ready to go. Let's go hang out by the pool. Okay, we're back. So we turned off the pot. We allowed it to do a 5-minute natural pressure release, which basically just means that it sits there and chills out and loses a little bit of its steam. Now I'm gonna have you release the rest of the pressure from the pot by turning the steam valve from sealing to venting. So throw on your red mitt and just turn that valve from sealing to venting.
Got it.
Perfect. Go ahead, open the lid. Don't be afraid, all the steam's released. You don't have to use the mitt, but you can do that if you want.
Okay. Love that sound. Ooh.
I know, and just set it to the side.
So pretty.
I know, look at that chicken.
Yum.
Okay, throw both mitts on because everything in there's a little bit hot, and just transfer the chicken out of the pot over here.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, you can just put it right here.
Yum.
So while you fluff the brown rice, I'm going to pull this chicken. Oh, look at this chicken, mama.
Oh.
I know, perfectly pulled chicken. Okay, so throw in the parsley. And then season it with a little bit of salt. I know you love salt, but just not the whole thing. Just a
Well,
little
I
pinch.
know, but let me pour.
Okay, just a pinch.
Okay, that's a pinch.
And then just keep kind of fluffing and stirring that rice around.
Okay.
once I finish shredding the chicken, I'm gonna add it back to that bowl of lemon oregano sauce. It'll soak up all that sauce and it'll be so delicious.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna throw it back in. It's a lot of sauce. It'll be like too much, but we'll just kind of, tap it off before we add it to our bowls.
Oh, the smell is just incredible.
I know, that lemon zest and the lemon juice and all that oregano just is like the most insane, delicious smell. Want to give that a toss?
Yeah.
See how nice that is? And the chicken breasts just like soak up all of that sauce.
Wow.
Okay, now we're ready to build our bowls. So we're gonna do kind of like a build your own bowl situation. Grab a bowl, use that spoon, fill it up with some rice. I want like a half a cup. Okay, I'm gonna add some arugula. Do you want some?
Lots.
Okay, lots.
Thank you.
Lots of arugula, plenty. So it's sort of like a,
wanna
salady rice bowl. Okay, so you've got yours.
I filled up my bowl, so I can't have a lot.
Oh, you can still have a
But
lot.
the chicken's the best part of all. I cannot believe it's that moist.
I know. And can you believe it cooks at the exact same time as the brown rice, all in the same pot?
It's just incredible.
I know, it's pretty cool.
Wow.
So there you have it, Mediterranean chicken bowls, all cooked in one pot, all at the same time. What do you think? Are you still scared?
I'm not scared. I cannot wait to do it and show off to my friends how incredibly good I am.
You're so incredibly good. I love you. Thank you for coming to celebrate Mother's Day with us. Mwah! Happy Mother's Day from all of us here at Mealthy. For other great recipes, head to Mealthy.com or the Mealthy app.